guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. I will be showing you guys how I created this look right here. It's just bomb. I am so in love. We're just gonna get right into the video. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna get right into this look. I actually did this look just now on Snapchat, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I'm going to take the Morphe 35B. You guys, I promise you this is the last time for a while until I use this palette again, because for one, you guys are probably tired of seeing me use this eyeshadow palette, like the same one. And two, I didn't even know that Morphe discontinued this palette, so it kind of sucks like showing different kind of looks with this particular palette, and some of you guys can't go and purchase if you don't have it already. So I'm probably gonna go and get the ABH Cosmetic the Take Me to Brazil palette. I have never tried that, yeah, because I love my colorful looks, so I'm gonna go and try that palette. So in the meantime, so I'm gonna take the yellow shade right here, and of course this is my ABH Cosmetic 101 brush. And I really build all my colors up, like I pack on these shades. So now that we have the yellow down, I'm gonna take the Anastasia's A12 blending brush. I already went ahead and applied some of the orange, I forgot to mention it. So I'm taking the orange eyeshadow and I'm applying this right underneath the yellow. Okay, so now that we have the orange down, I'm going to take the same exact brush and pick up the hot pink color right in the middle of the palette and apply this in my crease. Next, I'm taking the ABH A25 blending brush. This one is a little bit smaller than the one that I just used, so this is perfect to get like right in the crease, right underneath the pink color. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, so I'm gonna take the purple shade and apply it in my crease right underneath the pink. So I'm gonna take this really dark purple shade right here. On camera it looks like it's a dark blue, but it's purple, and I'm taking the same brush and I'm gonna apply this mainly in the outer corners. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and just take the black shade in the palette on the same A25 brush and place this in the outer corners. Next, I'm going to take the shimmery blue color right here. I don't know the number of this brush, and I'm going to apply it to my eyelid, and I'm not going to bring it all the way over. I'm just going to stop halfway. I was really just thinking about using this blue eyeshadow and leaving it as is, but I decided to apply glitter. So this eyeshadow, I'm just going to use it as a base for the glitter. So I'm just following along my crease. I'm not bringing it all the way. I'm not covering my whole lid. I'm just gonna stop like about right here. I love this blue, like it's so pretty. Of course I just had to be extra and apply some glitter. So right now I'm going to take the NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm taking it on the ABH number 18 brush, and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna place this right on top of the blue. So right after I've done that, I'm gonna take the Sigma E54 brush to pick up the glitter. So I did apply eyeliner, I just didn't do a wing liner. So I'm gonna use TheBalm Shwing liquid liner. That's what it's called, the Shwing liquid liner. The lashes I will be using is Lashing Out Lashes in the style Desire. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Best Lash Glue, which is the Duo Glue, the green one. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put these eyelashes on. Okay, you guys, so we are done for now. Let's move on to the skin. I'm going to use, of course, the Pond's Face Moisturizer. Okay, you guys, so for foundation, I have a new foundation, and it's the Makeup Forever Ultra HD NY445. So obviously I'm just dotting this all over my face, and I'm going to take my Makeup Addiction Beauty Blender to blend all this out. Matches really good. And it's so lightweight. Wow, it's very lightweight. So for concealer, I am going to be using once again the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium. And like I said in my last video, it is too light. Like, I don't like my under eye to be really bright, so I mix this with my foundation. Now that I got everything blended out, I'm using my Airspun powder, and it's mixed with some Benai banana powder. So now you guys, I'm just taking the Airspun powder on a brush this time, just to set my whole face. And now I'm going to quickly bronze up my face with the ABH powder bronzer in the shade Saddle. This is my favorite bronzer. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my makeup using the Kiss Pro Touch setting spray. So while my makeup is setting, I'm gonna go back and complete the eyes. So I'm gonna take the orange shade on a Sigma E25 brush and blend this out on the lower lash line. So next, I'm gonna take the Sigma E54 brush. This is a brush that I use to pick up the glitter. I'm gonna take the same pink color that I used in the crease and apply it a bit closer to my lash line. And then I'm gonna take the same brush and pick up the purple shade that I showed you guys that I used also in the crease and apply it just as close as I can get to my lash line. And right after that, I'm gonna take the Makeup Addiction pencil brush. You know what? I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use this brush to apply my inner corner highlight. I'm gonna take just the same brush. I use the Sigma E54 and just take a little bit of the black and only apply it in the outer corner. Yes, yes, this look, okay, really going in with the looks, for real. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. It's the purple one, and apply some mascara to my lower lashes. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter with my ABH A23 highlighting brush. Okay, so for inner corner highlight, I'm actually not going to use the Wet n Wild. I'm going to take the Makeup Addiction Holy Glow #2 palette. What it looks like, you guys, and it's so pigmented. Let me go ahead and swatch like the two in the middle. So pigmented. I'm going to take that white highlighting color. Where's my pencil brush? So I'm going to take this one. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. And I'm going to place this in the inner corner. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild and just highlight my brow bone. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and lined my lips with the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in the shade Spice Girl. So for lipstick, I'm gonna use my fave go-to nude lipstick. This is the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. And I just wanted to do like a really natural nude with this look because the eyes are already doing the most. So I just wanted to do a nude. So you guys, this is the completed look. It turned out so amazing. Oh my gosh, I am in love. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button and comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see, and subscribe to my channel because we'll have more videos for you guys. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.